The Oddire Mini Drone, Model X1, is a unique two-in-one toy that can function as both a drone and a car, providing a versatile play experience for children and adults alike. In car mode, this product offers smooth navigation and 3-speed gears, making it adaptable to various surfaces, including most household carpets. Featuring one-click takeoff landing, stable altitude hover, 360-degree roll, and flexible headless mode, the Oddire Mini Drone is user-friendly and easily controlled in various environments. Constructed from high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, the drone is durable and capable of withstanding numerous bumps or drops. With 2 batteries included, users can enjoy up to 20 to 30 minutes of playtime, which is longer than many competitors in the market. The Oddire Mini Drone, Model X1, is not only a great gift option, but also comes with a 100% after-sales service, ensuring customer satisfaction.